Original Amsterdam. Gargan this, brother. Disney can't deal with this. And morning. Well, it's morning for me. It's, what time is it? It's at 8:30 in the morning. It was raining this morning, but the sun's come out. Like, so yeah, it's nice. I've got to have a look at my car today and get that out. I was sick as a dog yesterday. Jet lag caught up with me and just finished me off. So I was in bed all day yesterday, pretty much. And I feel better today. I had a load of vitamins and whatnot, some food and some veg, and yeah, I'm good now. So today I'm going to a waterfall somewhere, apparently. And we're going up to the north coast, go and see Andy's friend and do some stuff up there. Fishing maybe, whatnot, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's how it's going. Oh, sun's out. Beautiful. Yeah, New Zealand's good. Like, Andy's just lined me up so perfectly out here. He's given me a car, he's given me somewhere to stay, and I can't, you know. I've got a 3 Series BMW estate, all levered up, nice. I drive, postman's here, and hold on, Andy, postman.
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's the postman, just dropped his stuff. It's cool. So yeah, man, we're gonna go to a waterfall or something.
Temu all across the world.
The Temu orders just turned up. So yeah, we're gonna go to a waterfall or something. So I'm gonna take these lot out. I'm driving, taking them out. We're going to see some of New Zealand. We're on the North Island at the moment. So that's where I'm staying at the moment. So I'm gonna go South Island. I might fly down there and then rent a car out while I'm down there and just go around, have a look and see what it's like. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm just chilling right now. The jet lag's gone, and yeah, I'm feeling a lot better now and ready to start living. So we're about to go into the woods here. A.H. Reed Memorial Park. These are just bushwalkers.
Bushwalkers? I'm a bushwalker.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't have bush. There's no bushes in England, there's just houses.
So this is it where you come to do your connection with nature.
Absolutely. It's awesome. Look at them trees, look at that.
Wait till you see Tane Mahuta. That's the tree.
Yeah, the big tree.
The big tree.
Oh, look,
I feel like we're on the track to the follow the river.
look at this.
So you could jump the fish, couldn't you? Not now, but you.
Well, I don't know, that don't look deep enough, man. Nah.
You could.
Eh?
Half that you could. If that rock there.
I wouldn't. You probably could. It probably is deep enough, but I wouldn't have to. I wouldn't.
Yeah, they're doing it down here.
It's dammed up there, yeah. How you doing, man?
Wicked.
Imagine living here.
Yeah. See, this is how you go up.
That's what I mean. Like, this is the lifestyle, man. This is what it's about. Natural life. Natural. Oh, look, he done it and all. He did diving.
Oh my God.
That's mad. How deep is it? How deep is it, Dan? Yeah.
Yeah, go on, give us everything, boys. Go hard.
Are you going in as well?
Yeah, come on, boys.
Oh, go on then.
So they might do a Manu. Watch this, okay? They could
He
do
said a Manu. What's a Manu?
Right, watch. Just watch. Oh, bro, this guy doesn't know what a Manu is. He's never seen a Manu before.
Oh, I'll show you.
Yeah.
The dude's going to show me what a Manu is.
yeah.
All right then, little
Where are
man.
you guys from?
I'm from London.
London?
Yeah.
You sound like KSI.
He's fresh off the
I sound
plane,
like
man.
KSI. Of course I know who he is. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh,
KSI.
Wasn't he just here
He was a
anyway?
gamer. He was a gamer, and then he fought. He started fighting and that, innit?
Yeah.
He's a bum.
He's a what?
He's a bum.
Look at Tyre. What? Oh, just look at
Ah!
Whoa. What a life, man.
Oh, here comes
Oh,
the
yeah.
Manu. Yeah, this little fella. Hold on, my boy. Yeah, no, that's cool. See, that's the one I said do it.
Has he got a duck?
Come here, John.
Did he get a duck?
Yeah.
Wicked.
John, put a belt. John, get it, you idiot. Oh, he's on the run.
He's got a duck. All right. Yeah. What's this thing now? All right.
I don't get to know that.
Mad. Yeah.
So they have the Manu Championship.
Manus. Yeah. Oh, look, the duck and its ducklings. Oh, look at that.
Get the man.
No, they're all right. Yeah, don't harass them. Look at this. Mummy duck made it, yeah? She got away from the kids with all her little children. And she's got a baby down here. He didn't get to go with her, but she's calling him. Where has it gone? Oh, I can't even see it now, but it's... Yeah. They're all getting sorted.
It's different though, that's but you again you do walk through this sort of bush to get down to the bay.
Oh, it's just so nice. Look how clear the water is. Crystal clear. There in front. You see, I don't know if I'm getting it. Oh yeah, there it is. Big eel in the water. See it swimming along there. Yeah, the place is just beautiful, man. It is so nice. Like jungle. Like it is just so. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You're right down there. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is some paradise shit. Like, excuse my French. Look at that. Oh.
Riddles
Yeah,
down wreck.
no, the riddles down. That's what I'm saying. Like, you gotta understand what it is. These ain't tourists. These are just people out for the day from work. Look at that. Oh my gosh. How you doing? You alright? Look at that. That is beautiful. Might have to go up there and have a look. I'm here. Can't believe I'm here, man. That is crazy. Look at that.
You think it hasn't rained for a while?
It hasn't rained since about 2 hours ago. What does it? It don't stop, does it?
Well, no, but do you think if we have heavy rainfall, long as the volume powerful, people have rain, you know.
Right, yeah.
So what would actually rain?
Yeah, I'll go on. I'll give the tree a hug.
Give this tree a big cuddle.
Yeah. You come all the way. You go and hug the tree. Look, it's got sap in it as well.
Where's my? Am I recording? Oh, it's recording.
It's recording
Ah, here he is, hugging the tree,
How you doing?
giving the
big
tree
man?
some love. This
Innit?
is Lee with the
Respect.
carry.
Mhm.
This is Lee with the carry. That's love.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
Awesome. That's it. Look at that. Huge. Massive. It's hard to even get the scale of that tree. This place is lovely, man.
So you can walk across the bridge.
It's raining.
Oh, in here, somewhere in here, yeah.
Suddenly, no, not the water necessarily pumping. It's about every single.
Oh, look, they've all joined in to move and say hello. He needed to do some climbing. It wasn't rugged enough. He needed to do some climbing. That was light work. How you doing there, mate? All right.
Bit of jungle, Jim.
How you feeling?
Just to burn some of that energy out there.
Yeah.
Energy I've built through this walking around.
That's what I said. It was light work. That walk
Yeah,
round there
that
was
makes
light
me
work.
feel
You
like I've
needed
done
to do
something.
something. Yeah.
You got it.
How's it going, peeps? Yeah, we just got back from the waterfall and that. What a lovely place. And we just loaded up the truck. No, like I took the car and we drove up there. We went in that, funny enough. But we're back at Andy's now. And we're going out in the truck. We've loaded the truck up with bikes, fishing stuff, boogie boards, surfboard, fuel cans. And we're going fishing and to spend a couple days up at the north of the North Island at Taupo, I think it was called, something like that. I'll let you know for sure. But yeah, we're going up there to meet some of Andy's friends and their family and that for a few days, and go and see what up there's got to offer. Have a bit of fun. Nearly there, nearly there. 11 kilometres and we're at the Taupo Bay. Look at this place. It's just absolutely stunning. And this is just the countryside side of it. Like, it's just so awesome. Awesome, awesome.
We can have fun trying to read the words.
Yeah. Like, I am just being well and truly spoiled. That's all I can say. Like, look at this beef. Just like, look at that. It just looks
Potatoes
amazing.
on the barbecue there, yeah.
Cooked food on the barbecue, and look at what they've got. Look at this.
Documenting everything, but some major footage.
So yeah, I'm here. This is Taupo Bay. So this is where I'm staying for the next 2 nights, I think. Night or 2. in a friend of Andy's house. He's given us a little hut. I'll show you later, but we've got a little room or a little place with we've got a little place with 2 rooms in there and a kitchenette and a bathroom, and we've got a boat and a tractor to pull the boat down to the water, and they've also bought a jet ski for me, arranged the jet ski. So we've got a jet ski, a boat, fishing gear, and we've just had like barbecue, roast beef and roasted sweet potatoes and roast potatoes and corn, and man, I'm feeling good. Had a little whiskey and yeah, just come down for a walk on the beach. I don't even know what the time is. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening. I think, let's see, 20 to 9 in the evening. So it's not hot, that's why I've got a hoodie on. But I've still got the sliders on and my shorts. Yeah. And yeah, I'm just loving it. I'm loving it. Best thing I've done for a long time. It's good for my soul, this. I think this is the mummy bird and 2 little baby birds. Just taking them for a walk down the beach. This is how these guys do it here. Just brought their boat in from the sea, take it back to the houses, just round here somewhere, and wait again, go out again tomorrow. What a life. Left a bit, that's it, left a bit, left, that's it, keep going, left, down, that's it, left, hard, stop, that's it, perfect.
Actually going to cross to the front here. Yeah.
Alright, this is it.
Let's go.
Tractor's up on the beach, we're launched. We are off.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like. Yeah, check it out. Yeah.
Just, I feel so privileged right now. I can't even explain it. It is absolutely, oh, just beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh, at least we've got out on the boat then. That's good. We've done that.
Yeah.
If it all turns to custard from here, at least.
That's it, we're out.
Head for the blue stuff. The blue.
So yeah, before I get too carried away and get to do any filming, we're actually out here now. He's finding us a spot, so we're out in the middle of, what ocean is this now? Pacific or?
Not quite, but nearly, yeah.
Alright, that helps a bit, yeah. Andy, my brother from another mother, just made this possible. So now we're out here. Lily, me and Andy, we're going to catch some fish. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, not sure what day it is. We're in 50 metres of water. There goes the anchor. gonna catch some liveys first, see how we get on with that, and then yeah, we'll be back soon. Phone call as well. Yeah, when they're thinking about it, yeah. The boat just cut out, but it's back again. So yeah, we've got the anchors down. We're gonna cut some bait up.
That's the burley.
Get some. That's the chum.
So that goes in the shark.
Next, yeah. Just stick that in there. Sliced it up.
Yeah.
Drop that over the side, and that will attract some fish down there. And we got some squid and some little, I don't know what they are, herring type things.
Mackerel.
Mackerel. Oh, little jacklins. I remember when you wouldn't even touch a fish.
Mate, I still don't. I still
They
don't.
wouldn't.
No, I still
Catch a fish and I'd have to take it off the hook.
I've got gloves in here, but yeah.
Yeah, but look, you're cutting fish, man.
So when I went out on their charter boats one year, all I did was unhook people's fish.
Yeah.
Because no one else could do it. I had gloves on and I just got so used to it.
Awesome. Awesome.
I know
It's
exactly
crazy.
right,
It's
yeah.
just, it's unreal.
Dealt with it, mate. Dealt with it.
Look at that. Some nice fresh squid. It's fresh squid, some frozen squid even. Freshly frozen.
Freshly frozen.
Alright, I think I might stick my hoodie on.
Yeah. Get bait.
Get my hoodie on. Get some bait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Say something for the camera, Skipper. What are we going to catch today?
We're going to catch 15-pound snapper.
There we go. Alright, let's see what we do. What are we having? We should have a little, yeah. Smallest fish pays for fuel.
Largest fish cooks dinner.
There you go.
Largest fish cooks dinner and the smallest doesn't.
That's alright, right, we got it. Right, smallest fish cleans the fish. Biggest fish cooks.
So hopefully I'm
So you got cleans the boat. Middleman cleans the boat. Yeah.
Right. Massive.
Lovely little fish. Pretty. Right, you're going back in now. Great technique. So we've had a few fish. We're moving on to another spot. Yeah, it got a bit overcast where we were. I didn't even realise, you know, but it's just wicked, absolutely beautiful. I am loving life right now. We've had a few, we've had about, I don't know, maybe 10 snapper between us so far. They're all undersized, so we just put them back. And yeah, there's like sizing to the fish. Has that got fish finder on it as well?
Yeah, but the closer you get to the bloody reef, you catch all those morays.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, is that the reef there?
This
It's right here.
deep, yeah. If we catch a sea monster, we've still got 3 metres spare on the camera. Seagull then, and it was flying so long there, for the angle I thought it was a drone. I thought it was like DJI.
Must be the wind coming off of the thing,
Yeah.
off of the
It just
hills.
looks funny, it's how he's going.
Yeah. So we're at the next spot now. The second spot we moved along. It's at 27 metres. And yeah, we're about to go. We're going to stick the cage down back in the water. Get straight in there, I think. It's quite windy. But still lovely, beautiful. Just so grateful to be alive right now at this particular moment. With some good friends. And yeah, let's do it.
That's a fish. It's, oh no, don't use fish. Whoa, quick, grab my camera, quick, hold that.
Yeah, that size.
Boys, you want to get back on this?
Well, maybe throw the one away and we'll keep Andy's, eh?
Yeah, I think keep mine.
Oh, it's like that, like we got
Oh, mate.
Andy's now feels good. What? Go on. Oh. Is this still filming?
Yeah, it's still filming. Hi, everyone. Hi.
Come on,
Is it
bring
filming?
it in.
Oh, double
I'm
hook up,
filming
double
you
hook
and
up,
then
nice.
you-
Oh, are you in too, yeah? Wicked, go on. Alright, we'll have to put these in.
Maybe it's coming towards us. This is
It's
gone.
alright.
Oh, it's gone.
No,
Oh, yeah, it's here. Yeah.
You in?
Oi,
Yeah.
just let him wearing him out. Hey, there we go.
There he comes. Ah, yeah.
Right in the boat.
Is it a cow, right?
Yes.
It's a snipper.
Oh, is it a dude?
Yep.
Dude,
Oh, mate, nice.
dude.
Yeah.
Can I have the net, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, lift it up.
Yeah, is that alright?
Yeah.
Oh, that's alright.
Yep.
Yeah, go on.
We're in.
Is
Nice.
that still filming?
Yeah,
Oh, brilliant. Sweet. Give us a...
nice.
Sorry about that.
Right.
Well done, Andy.
Yeah, nice one. Just unhook him. Alright, you got it?
Awesome.
And one more.
You in there? Oh,
Yeah, it's still filming?
yeah, free
Oh,
up. Look
how
at
many
that.
seconds is that?
2 minutes or so. But yeah, that's awesome. That's triple.
Wicked.
We've got a snapper in here, a snapper here. And what's this called?
Cowaway.
Cowaway.
So you then use that as a
Nice.
live bait.
My kingfish.
And then you go get your kingy with that. So
Nice.
you send that off and yeah. Sweet. Right.
Well done, Andy. Well done.
Well done, boys. No, good job.
That's 2 species now we've got.
Let's deal with matey.
So now we've got kingfish bait.
That's good at the end.
Yeah, go on, you know. Yeah, Billy knows what to do with these things.
Yeah, I can do
Yeah.
one.
Look at all this blood going in. Oh, I think we're on, boys. Well done, Billy.
First fish.
Nice.
Nice fish.
Very.
Let's have a look. Nicely done. See how Benny Hill shaped it. Oh,
Right.
beautiful. Good job.
called? Pigfish.
Apparently.
Yeah. Absolutely. Into another species. What's it called? Pigfish.
Apparently.
Yeah. Absolutely awesome. What a trip. What an absolute trip. I've just caught a moray eel. And it's wrapping itself around the line. We just talked about this as well. Like, didn't want to get it. We saw him on the camera. Look, it's wrapped itself all around the line. So I'm gonna have to sort this guy out. But there he is, moray eel. Oh look, he's gonna kill himself. He's caught him. He's wrapped him. Right, let me sort this out. Alright, well, that's that. We're call it a day. Head back to shore. We've done alright. Got a few fish for the keep now. A couple to had a good day's fishing. And now yeah, we're gonna go back, probably cook some fish and have something to eat. Been out here for about, I don't know, about 4 hours. Good.
Masterly! Go on, mate, put your foot, go on!
Back at the house. We're gonna just wash the place now. Clean the boat up. Put the clean the boat up, so just running some fresh water through it. So take the salt water out of it, and then we'll wash it all off. Run it out the back, clean the baits, clean the bait table off, clean the salt water off of it, wash it off, and then clean the fish, get all the fish and all of that, and then pack the stuff away. So we're at the fish processing station at the backyard, right next to the lake. More red snappers. Look at the coloration of this thing here.